Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 6. A bit factorize 4x power 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. Now here let us solve it on a separate sheet. Now here I am writing 4x power 4 as it is. Here I am taking minus common. So negative x square becomes positive x square. Negative 12x becomes positive 12x. Negative 36 becomes positive 36. Next, 4x power 4 I am writing as it is. Minus this I am writing as a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Is it clear? 6 square is 36, 2 6 is 12, so x 12x will come, right? Now here this I am writing as 2 square x square for this entire term whole square. And this is a plus b whole square formula. This is a and this is b, so a plus b whole square, right? Now here a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Here be careful. When you multiply with minus, both the symbols will be changed. Right. Now we are going to do further simplification. Here we cannot get the factors for this, so let us write it as it is. Now here 2 6 are 12. To get minus 1, we can take minus 4 and plus 3. So here I am writing 2x square. This is minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Why? Because this product will give this product. See, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. This addition will give this value. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. This is how we have to split the middle term. This is called splitting the middle term. Now here 2x square plus x plus 6 write as it is. Now here we can take 2x common. Now here x minus 2 is left. In these two terms 3 common. Here x minus 2 is left. Now let us do further. So 2x square plus x plus 6 is as it is. In these two I am taking x minus 2 common. Here 2x, here plus 3, they are left. That's all, children. So this is how we should do factorization for this problem. Now let us see sixth problem, b bit. Okay, solve for theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to cot theta plus 6 degrees. I would like to solve here only. As we know, these are complementary angles. So tan we can write as cot. Then theta will be 90 minus theta. 2 theta is a 90 minus 2 theta. Clear? Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Tan 2 theta is cot 90 minus 2 theta because right side already cot is there. Clear? Now here we can remove the trigonometric ratios and we can take these values. 90 minus 2 theta equal theta plus 6. So here I am continuing. 90 minus 2 theta is theta plus 6. Bring this minus 2 theta this side. That will be plus 2 theta. Send the 6 this side. 90 minus 6 is 84. So 3 theta is 84. Means 84 degrees. Then theta will be 84 divided by 3. Then theta will be 28 degrees. So this is the answer for the B bit. Now let us see C bit. In the given figure, AP is the perpendicular to BC. If BC is 112, cot B is 4 by 3 and cot C is 12 by 5, calculate the length of AP. It should be separately solved. Now let us copy the same diagram in a separate sheet. See here, this ABC along with this P I have done separately like this. Okay, here this is A, here P, here also A, this is also P, and here is B, here is C. Now let us write the remaining values. Cot B is 4 by 3. Cot B formula is base by perpendicular. This is 4, I am taking 4x. This is 3, I am taking 3x. Then cot B is base by perpendicular. Okay, 4x by 3x, x get cancelled, 4 by 3 will get it. Now let us see here further problem. Cot C is, hope you can see, cot C is 12 by 5. Cot C means this value 12 by 5. This is 12y, this is 5y, because this is the base for C, this is the perpendicular. So base by perpendicular is cot value. Now one more thing is given. BC is 112. Here you understand. Here what BC indicates? Given BC is 112 centimeter. Okay, forget about the centimeter, it is 112. BC nothing but BP plus PC means 4x plus 12y. 4x plus 12y is 112. Let us divide this equation with 4, both the sides. This will be x plus 3y is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 8 are 32, 28. This is equation number 1. At the same time, when we split the triangle, you see AP both are same, means 3x equal to 5y. From the figure, we can say in both the cases APs are equal. Of course, both are the same. So here 3x is equal to 5y, right? Now we can say x as 5y by 3. Let us take this as equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we continue this problem. From 1 and 2 what happens? In place of x we can write this value 5y by 3. This is x, means 5y by 3 plus 3y is 28. Now it is very easy to solve y. So 5y plus 3 3s are 9y by 3 will be there, that 3 will multiply this 28. Okay, hope you are following me. Now this is 14y is 28 into 3. So y will be 28 into 3 by 14. 14 will cancel this 28. 2 times 2 3s are 6. Y is 6. Now let us see, the question is finding AP. AP in terms of y is 5y. Clear? Now let us finding. This is the last step, of course. AP is 5 times y. 5 times y is already 6. So it is 30. Since in the question it is given BC as 112 centimeter. So this will be 30 centimeter. So finally AP is 30 centimeter. With this sixth problem, C bit also gets completed. Now we see question number 7. A bit is, out of 25 numbers, the mean of 50 numbers is 36 and the mean of the remaining numbers. See here 15 numbers, mean is already calculated. Remaining numbers means 25 minus 15, 10. So mean of 10 numbers is 26. Find the mean of all the 25 numbers. So let us solve it separately. Now let us see here, this is 7th problem, A bit. So here there are two means, okay, 2 times numbers. So I am taking mean 1 as mean 1 equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. As it is first case, I am taking everything 1 1 1. So here mean is given as 36 is the mean for how many numbers? 15 numbers. So here sum 1 can be found using this equation. So sum 1 is 36 into 15 when we do cross multiplication. Then sum 1 will be 15, 6 are 90, here 9 is carried forward. 15 plus 9 is 54. So 540 is the sum 1. Clear? Now let us go for the second case. Mean of the remaining numbers remaining are here second time means I am taking m2 equal to sum 2 by number 2, and mean of the remaining means number 2 is out of 25. Okay, first time n1 15 are taken out, so 25 minus 15 is 10. So this 10 can be written in place of n2 in this equation. In that case, mean is given as 26. 26 is the mean when number of numbers taken is 10. 10 numbers mean is 26. So same way we can do cross multiplication. This is 26 into 10. So it is S2 is 260. Clear? Now the question is that, see here, I will make it understand once again. See here, out of 25 numbers, mean of 15 numbers is 36. Mean of 15 numbers is 36. So sum 1 we got as 540. And mean of the remaining numbers, remaining are 10. So remaining means 10 numbers mean is 26. 10 numbers mean is 26. Now the question is that, find the mean of all 25 numbers. Now the required mean is, sum of all values, sum of all numbers by the total number of numbers. That means here let us write the values. From the first case we got 540 as this sum and 260 as this sum in second case, and total number is here 15, here 10, total is 25, or you can see in the question total 25 members is mentioned. So now here let us simplify this one. When you add this you will get 800. 800 divided by, so this one correct only, this one is 700, 600, 800 divided by 25. So it is 25 3s are 75 and again 50, so 25 2s are 32. Therefore the required mean, or we can say mean of all 25 numbers is 32. So with this A bit gets completed. Now we see 7th problem, B bit. See the question. Find A or find the value of A if 2 tan 3A into cos 3A minus 2 cos 3A minus tan 3A plus 1 is 0. So let us solve it in a separate sheet. So here I am copying the question. Given 2 tan 3A into cos 3A minus 2 cos 3A, right, minus tan 3A plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, always make a habit that we have to check once again after writing the question. So 2 tan 3A into cos 3A minus 2 cos 3A minus tan 3A plus 1 equal to 0. This is if condition, so we can use both the sides at a time. Now here let us take 2 cos 3A is there, 2 cos 3A is there, so let us take 2 cos 3A as common. I am taking 2 cos 3A as common. Then what is left here? Tan 3A. Here as it goes common, here 1 is there. In these two I am taking minus common, so this negative becomes positive. Positive 1 becomes negative 1. Right. Now in these two, tan 3A minus 1 again common. So tan 3A minus 1 is again common. Then the remaining value is 2 cos 3A minus, here it goes as common, minus 1 is left. Now this problem is split into two parts. First one is either tan 3A minus 1 is 0 or 2 cos 3A minus 1 is 0, just like factorization. Now here I am sending minus 1 this side. So tan 3A is 1. So tan 3A, 1 in terms of tan is tan 45 degrees. Clear? Now 3 times A will be 45 degrees. Clear? Now you can say A easily, A equal to 45 by 3, 15 degrees. And let us simplify this one. 2 cos 3A is minus 1 goes that side, become 1. Cos 3A is 1 divided by 2. This is into 2. If it moves this side is 1 by 2. This is in terms of cos. It is cos 60 degrees. Now 3A indicates 60 degrees. From this we can find A equal to 60 by 3 means 20 degrees. Finally, A is equal to 15 degrees or 20 degrees is the final answer. Now we see 7th problem, C bit. Now we see the question. The points A 3, 0, B A, -2 and C 4, -1 are the vertices of a triangle ABC that is right angled at vertex A. Then find the value of small a. Now let us draw a right angle triangle. That is right angled at A. So you can write either B here or here. If you write B here, you can write C there, no problem. Now here let us write the given points. A is given as 3, 0. B is given as A, -2. C is given as C 4, -1. Right. As we know, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here by Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So here distance between 2 points formula we should know. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. As it is square, the square and root gets cancelled. So directly we can write it without keeping the square root because already we have done the squarings. Okay, squares are already being done. Now B to C distance is a minus 4 whole square plus -1 plus 2 whole square. That is BC square. AB square a minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus of minus means 0 plus 2 whole square. It is AB square. And AC square also to be done. 4 minus 3 whole square plus 0 plus 1 whole square. We have to simplify this to get A value. Now here this is A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. 2 into A into 4, that is 8A. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1. This is again A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. 2 into A into 3 means 6A. Right? 0 plus 2, 2 square is 4. 4 minus 3, 1, 1 square is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1. Clear? Now here, this A square, they get cancelled. Now let us write the remaining values. 4 square is 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 minus 8A. This is 9 minus 6A. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now in the further next step, 17 minus 8A equal to 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 6A. Send this 8A this side. 15 bring this side. Then what happens? 17 minus 15 is minus 6A plus 8A. Because 8A is coming this side, its symbol will be changed. 15 symbol also is changed. Now here 17 minus 15 is 2. 8A minus 6A is 2A. So from this we can rewrite this as 2A equal to 2 because both are same. Then A is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore finally A is equal to 1. So with this 7th problem, at the same time this question paper section B as well as the entire paper gets completed.
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.